Marcus sat at his desk for 3 hours yesterday. He didn't type a single word. The cursor flickered. He stared at it, as if mocking him. He'd opened the AI tool 20 minutes earlier. It had already typed what he was trying to say. More clearly than he could. And faster, too. You felt that, didn't you? Marcus closed his laptop. Not out of frustration. Out of something worse. Doubt. He walked to the window. He stood there for a while. He didn't check his phone. Outside, people were moving, working, making things. Or were they really? He couldn't tell anymore. Then I asked him, "What did you make today? What did you make today?" Marcus didn't answer right away. He looked down. "I don't know if I made anything, or if I just supervised something that made itself," he replied. "And how did it feel?" I asked. "A feeling of emptiness," he said, his voice heavy with pain. "Because you didn't focus on it," I told him, speaking the truth. "You let the machine do the thinking, so your mind never got involved." "Look," I said, "a machine doesn't need focus. It doesn't have attention. It has speed. But you have something it never will. The ability to pay attention to what's on your mind. So what? I stop using it?" "No," I said. "You use it differently. Stop letting it replace your focus. Let it amplify what you've already chosen to think about. Because focus isn't about working harder. It's about choosing what deserves your full attention. And that choice, that's the one thing AI can't do for you." That night, Marcus opened his laptop again. This time, he didn't start with AI. He sat there. He thought. For 5 minutes, he just thought about what he really wanted to say. When he finally started typing, the words weren't polished, but they were right. He looked at what AI could do and used it, but only after he knew what he wanted. Only after he focused. The room looked the same, but something had changed. You know what people don't realize? They think the problem is AI, that it's taking something away from them. But AI hasn't taken anything. We've given it up. We've given up our attention, our depth, our ability to dwell on one thing long enough to make it our own. And in a world where machines can do everything instantly, the only thing that matters is what you choose to focus on. Marcus fell asleep at his desk that night. The work wasn't finished, but it was his work. Focus is no longer a skill. It's a currency. And what about those who learn to use it wisely? They will be the only ones who remember the feeling of creating something of value.